Oh, it pops off. Or broke it. Hey guys, it's me, Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Boxycharm unboxing. So this month is February's Boxycharm. So I've already cut the seal, so let's see what's in it. So, right off, okay, so this, when I opened my box, this is what happened. So it looks like mine got beat around a little bit. But Afterglow is our card. And we look a little, I don't know, maybe it's protecting something down there. Normally I don't have products sticking above the top styrofoam. So, yeah. Alright, so Afterglow. 2, 3, 4. We have 5 products. Alright, so I'm just gonna reach in and I'm gonna grab this right here because it says pharmacy on it, and the last product I got from pharmacy I have actually really loved. So this is Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Ooh, okay, so the other thing we got was a little tub. And it's a facial cleanser makeup remover type thing that you can, like, it does mascara and everything. And I actually really, really like it. I mostly use it when I'm lazy and don't want to use my Mary Kay, like, all of my steps. Yeah, it's more when I'm lazy, but I do really, really like it. So, I'm excited for this. This is more of a liquid form than, like, a cream kind of form. I'm not sure the actual texture that you would call the other product. So this retails for $22. Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Face Cleanser. So it soothes and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. So it does take off makeup. That's nice. So it says it's ultra gentle, so that's exciting. I would definitely be trying this guy out. It says it's got some good stuff in there like coconut, sugar, amino acids, powerful botanical blend, turmeric, chamomile. Ooh, that's really good. Some aloe, licorice root's actually really good too. So super excited for this guy. Alright, so next I'm going to grab this one right here. This looks like a cute little bottle. Okay, so this is the No Problem Primer. No Problem Primer, but with the word pore. From Touch and Soul. Hold on, I gotta scratch my face. So, smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. So this is exciting because I actually just bought a separate primer that one of my customers has used and has been having problems with. So now I have another primer to test out, so I'm really super excited. The packaging is actually really, really cute for this. I really like it. The look of this also kind of reminds me of some of like our Mary Kay products, how they look this lighter pink color. So I'm pretty excited about this. So yay. And this retails for $18. Which is not bad, okay, because our Mary Kay primer is $18, and I believe it's about 1 fluid ounce, so I'm really super excited to try this. What is it? That's an interesting applicator. Is it, did I open it wrong? I can't close it. Oh, it pops off. Oh, I broke it. I broke it. I fixed it. Okay, so it's got a pump top, which is nice. So it comes out. Doesn't feel too thick, a little watery. I'm used to a silicone-based one, so it smells kind of nice. So I'm gonna spread it on my hand. It does. I feel like it might do a good job. So, battery issues, and we know natural lighting. So, I had to bring in my good lamp here, guys. So if you notice a change in lighting, that's why. So before battery died, we were talking about this guy right here. And so I spread it out on my hands. Not sure how well you can see a difference on the camera, but I can see one in person. My left hand looks much more hydrated than the right, which is nice. It feels like smooth. It doesn't feel sticky or annoying. I think one of the Becca primers we've gotten before just did not feel good on my skin. Did not like it. Alright, so I'm excited to Mary Kay versus that one against our Mary Kay primer because they're the same price point and a little bit different feeling, but still super excited. Alright, so next I'm pulling this guy right here out. Ooh. Okay, I just glanced at the next product. I'm really excited. Okay. But we're looking at this guy right here. So this is Tristique. That says primer inside. So Prime and Color Lip Glaze. My color is English Rose. So there's a primer on this side and then the lip glaze on this side. I just realized you can see my sign over there. That's blue. We don't want that. So this retails for $25. It's a 2-in-1 lip duo. So there's a... Okay, so... This is really dark. Let's see how much product's in there. Quite a bit of product. But this looks really, really dark. But watch this. Ready? This magnet. Oh! Oh, and I just like totally... I feel like Alexandria Ryan. I believe that's her last name. She's a YouTuber I watch who's like super clumsy. I can so relate to her. So yeah, guys, it has a magnet, which is pretty cool. But be careful because I've already like magnetized and like rammed into the end of the product. So yeah, be careful. So let's check out the primer part. Oh, okay, it just pops out. It doesn't twist. It's a little ball. So that's the primer end, and then this, this is the top, and it's a really deep, rich red. I'm going to swatch it on the hand that doesn't have the primer. So that's the color shade. It comes off a little more, not as dark as I would think on here, on my hand, as it looks in the product too, but that's kind of, that's normal. So it's pretty accurate to the tip here. So, and here's the packaging. So I like the packaging, it's pretty cute. So the next product is kind of down here, and this is actually the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I instantly recognize it. I have never tried this. I've heard amazing things. So I'm actually really excited to try this because every mascara I have tried against our Mary Kay ones has not succeeded. One has come close, but none has surpassed my Mary Kay. This is actually a really heavy mascara. So, but pretty much everybody knows what this mascara looks like. Focus. Come on. There we go. So this is Better Than Sex mascara. Retails for $24. It's definitely more expensive than any of the Mary Kay ones. So it separates coats and curls. Each lasts to voluptuous perfection. We shall see. So, but the packaging for this is really, really heavy. So it has the hourglass wand, or at least that's what I call this kind of wand. These are not typically my favorite, but we shall see. I believe one of the other mascaras that is close to working as well as our Mary Kay ones have a wand kind of similar. Like I said, they're not my favorite. They're harder for me to get on my inner corners. Our Mary Kay ones are tapered, so they do that better. So, but I'm excited to try it. I wanted to get my hands on one, but I just can't see myself spending $24 when with Mary Kay I can pay $18 or $15. And then I technically don't even pay that much. So, super excited to versus that product. Alright, and then, so we should have one more thing in here. Oh, Pretty Vulgar. This looks very similar to the cheek color we got. This is Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter. So this is a highlighter instead of a cheek color, which is pretty exciting. I really do love their packaging. I mean, it's kind of cheap. I mean, it's plastic. Well, ASMR going on right there. So, the packaging is just really, really cute. I mean, it is kind of cheap, but it's cute. So, but this looks really beautiful. Really beautiful highlighter. So, let's see. It looks like it's really close to my skin tone. I usually use more of like a gold toned highlighter. But you guys can see it on my hand. I mean, it does highlight really nice. So, really excited about this one. And it is really similar to one of our Mary Kay Chroma Fusion Life Proof highlighters. So literally everything I got today could be used for a Mary Kay Versus, which is really exciting. Bonus for you guys, because that means 5 videos hopefully coming out soon. Me and my assistant are caught up on pretty much everything, other than little side projects she's doing. So hopefully these videos will come out soon. I'm also waiting for my ring light to get here, so we'll have a little bit better lighting than my already nice light here. So, oh, the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter retails for $32. So, which is it's almost double the price of our Mary Kay one. So that will be a really good versus. Pearlescent Pigments. So cool. So that's all the products in this month's Boxycharm. There's only 5 and not 6. But I am generally excited about every product. And it's kind of been a little while since I've been excited about every product. Like, I'm really, really excited. So, yeah. And I can't wait to do my Mary Kay Versus for them. So, yeah, let's figure out the grand total for the 5 products in my Boxycharm that I paid about $22 for. So, we've got $24 for the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. The Pretty Vulgar Highlighter is $32. Touch and Soul No Problem Primer, No Problem Primer. Pharmacy Facial Cleanser for $22. And then Trustique Lip Crayon for $25. $121. That's really awesome. That's almost $100 more than what I actually paid. So, I'm excited about Afterglow, and be on the lookout for a try-on video and Mary Kay Versus, and I will see you guys in my next video.